Have you ever wondered what makes space travel such a dangerous pursuit? It's an endeavor that pushes the boundaries of human capabilities, a testament to our innate curiosity and ambition. Beyond the confines of our protective atmosphere lies a realm fraught with challenges. Extreme temperatures that can freeze or fry, the disorienting effects of microgravity, invisible but deadly cosmic radiation, and the unforgiving vacuum of space. Yet despite these perils, the human spirit dares to venture forth, driven by a thirst for knowledge and discovery. Today we delve into the darker side of this grand adventure. We'll journey back in time, revisiting the top 5 deadliest space disasters, etched in the annals of history. These tragic events, while deeply sorrowful, have shaped the course of space exploration, leading to invaluable lessons and monumental advancements in safety measures. So, buckle up as we journey through these harrowing tales from the annals of space exploration. It all began with the unfortunate Apollo 1 mission in 1967. This was a time when the United States was in the throes of the space race, eager to outpace the Soviet Union. Apollo 1, originally designated as Apollo Saturn 204, was planned as the first crewed mission of NASA's Apollo program. But everything changed during a pre-launch rehearsal test. A cabin fire erupted inside the command module, claiming the lives of all 3 crew members, Gus Grissom, Ed White, and Roger B. Chaffee. This tragedy sent shockwaves through the nation and the global space community. It led to an exhaustive investigation, revealing design flaws and lapses in safety procedures. The Apollo command module was completely redesigned, with changes made to materials, the cabin atmosphere, and emergency systems. The Apollo 1 disaster served as a grim reminder that space exploration requires the utmost caution and rigorous safety measures. The lessons learned from this tragic event continue to shape the safety protocols in space missions today. Next, we move on to the tragic Soyuz 11 mission in 1971. This was a mission that held great promise, as it was designed to dock with the world's first space station, Salyut 1. But tragedy struck on their return journey to Earth. All 3 crew members, Georgy Dobrovolsky, Viktor Patsayev, and Vladislav Volkov, died due to a cabin vent valve failure. This technical mishap allowed the cabin's atmosphere to leak into space, causing a rapid decompression. Without time to react, the crew perished in less than a minute. This catastrophe remains the only human deaths in space to date, and not on a landing or takeoff. In the wake of this disaster, significant changes were made in spacecraft design and emergency procedures. For instance, spacesuits became mandatory during launch and re-entry for added protection. The Soyuz 11 catastrophe underlined the importance of constant vigilance in space travel. Despite the risks, we continue to reach for the stars, never forgetting the lessons from these tragic events. The Space Shuttle era too wasn't without its share of tragedies. The Challenger in 1986 and Columbia in 2003. The Challenger disaster is one that continues to reverberate throughout history. On a cold January morning, the Challenger space shuttle was set to launch, carrying 7 brave souls into the great unknown. However, unbeknownst to the crew and ground control, a faulty O-ring seal in the right solid rocket booster was a disaster waiting to happen. This seemingly insignificant component failed at a critical moment, leading to the catastrophic breakup of the shuttle mere seconds after liftoff. All 7 crew members tragically lost their lives in a blink of an eye, a sobering reminder of the inherent risks of space exploration. 17 years later, in 2003, another space shuttle, Columbia, met a similar grim fate. Unlike the Challenger, the Columbia completed its mission successfully, only to disintegrate upon re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere. A piece of foam insulation had broken off during launch, damaging the shuttle's thermal protection system. This damage compromised the shuttle's integrity, causing it to break apart and scatter debris across several states. Once again, all 7 crew members on board were killed, marking another dark day in the annals of space exploration. In the aftermath of these 2 devastating incidents, the space shuttle program was temporarily suspended. It spurred a full-scale review of safety measures and protocols. These disasters brought home the stark reality that even the smallest oversight can have catastrophic consequences when dealing with the unforgiving environment of space. The Challenger and Columbia disasters served as a wake-up call for the space industry. It highlighted the need for meticulous maintenance, stringent pre-launch checks, and an unwavering commitment to the safety of the astronauts. These tragedies underscored the fact that space exploration, while exciting, is a perilous endeavor fraught with substantial risks. Both the Challenger and Columbia disasters underscored the need for meticulous maintenance and stringent pre-launch checks. These disasters have left indelible marks on the history of space exploration. They serve as stark reminders of the inherent dangers that come with our relentless pursuit of the stars and our insatiable curiosity about the cosmos. We've walked through the haunting corridors of history, revisiting the chilling tales of the Apollo 1 tragedy where brave souls were lost before they even had the chance to reach the stars. We've delved into the Soyuz 11 catastrophe, the chilling event that claimed the lives of 3 cosmonauts, reminding us that the return journey is equally fraught with perils. We've also reflected on the Challenger and Columbia disasters, catastrophic events that not only shook the world, but also significantly impacted the course of space travel. These incidents underscored the fact that despite our advancements in technology, we are still at the mercy of the unpredictable and unforgiving nature of space. But what have we learned from these tragedies? We've learned that safety must always be paramount, that every possible scenario, no matter how unlikely, must be anticipated and prepared for. We've learned that each failure, each loss, carries within it invaluable lessons that can guide us towards a safer and more successful future in space exploration. These incidents have shaped the safety measures we now implement in space travel. They've led to more rigorous pre-launch inspections, improved spacecraft design and technology, and enhanced emergency response procedures. They've taught us to never underestimate the enormity of the task at hand and to always respect the power and unpredictability of the universe. But more than anything, these disasters have shown us the indomitable spirit of humanity. Despite the dangers and the losses, we continue to reach for the stars, undeterred and unbroken. We persist because we know that the rewards, the knowledge, the discovery, the potential for progress far outweigh the risks. Despite the dangers and tragedies, the quest to explore the cosmos continues, a testament to human courage and resilience. The stars, after all, are worth the risk.